A bill of materials is a list of parts or components that are required to build a product and provides the part number and the quantity needed for each component. To get started, first create a new drawing by clicking New, Drawing, and choose Empty as the template. It's often desirable to use an exploded assembly drawing when creating a bill of materials. To do this, click General, Default All, click View Stages, and change Exploded State to Exploded 1, and click Apply. Change the view display style to Hidden, and change the scale. To insert the bill of materials, click on the Table tab, choose Table, Quick Tables, BOM Description down, and place the table on the drawing. The default columns on the bill of material are item number, part number, quantity, description, and notes. These cells can be changed and edited by selecting the cell, right-clicking, Properties. I'll do this again, but this time with an empty cell. To complete the bill of materials, you must add balloons, so it's clear which part is which. To do this, click Create Balloons and choose between Create Balloons All, By View, By Component and View, or by record. I'll choose Create All. Now, clean up the balloons so they're not intersecting with components on the drawing. The bill of materials drawing is now complete.